Hold on tight because we're about to embark on a journey through the coolest gadgets you've ever seen. From futuristic smart devices to genius inventions, this video will leave you in awe. Are you ready to be amazed? Experience gaming like never before with the Unidice die-shaped gaming console, the ultimate fusion of technology and imagination. The Unidice is a unique combination of a die, a game controller, and a video game console. It can adjust your games on the fly using your designs or those from the library, which contain over 1,700 distinct skins for you to use. For the ultimate gaming experience, you can interact with the Unidice by rolling, shaking, tapping, and spinning. And for the ultimate digital adventure, you can link up with Foundry VTT and conquer virtual realms while rolling dice in the real world. Dive into the Yeelight Cube Smart Lamp, the ultimate innovation that redefines lighting possibilities. Imagine a dot matrix component boasting 25 vibrant RGB color light clusters, forming a mesmerizing 5x5 grid. But that's just the beginning. Each light bead has 16,000K color variations that can all be managed using an app. When these 25 light beads are combined, they create infinite color combinations. And let's not forget the innovative magnetic interconnections that offer unmatched convenience. With circular data transmission ring design, each module can rotate 360 degrees, granting unparalleled flexibility in arrangement and positioning. Are you fed up with tangled earbud cables? Or are you experiencing squeezing pain, overheating, and earache from your headphones? With Focusound directional speaker, you can experience the power of sound in a new manner. Its all-new transparent design speaker with 360 surround sound and directional audio technology allows you to create your own private sound field. Being transparent is wonderful, but you can also use it as a desktop decor by simply clipping your favorite phones to the back of the speaker. This device even delivers a full range of sound impact and a spatial audio experience for the listeners, along with an original multiple sound zone algorithm. Tired of running out of battery when you need it the most? With an astonishing 10 mAh capacity, this power bank provides multiple charges on the fly. You can also experience the reliability and durability with its twin 21,700 automotive grade batteries. Even after a whopping 800 cycles, they hold a remarkable 80% capacity, offering a lifetime of dependable performance. Not enough? How about transitioning it into a charging hub for your devices? The dual USB-C and USB-A ports effortlessly charge multiple gadgets simultaneously, so it is very useful if you have several devices that need to be charged. Ever wish you could effortlessly understand and translate foreign sentences? Say goodbye to language barriers and embrace a world of knowledge with Youdao Dictionary Pen 3. This pen can instantly decode any sentence or word you scan, offering not only translations, but also audio pronunciations, example sentences, and precise definitions. It's like having a personal language tutor in your pocket. No Wi-Fi? No problem. This pen works offline too, ensuring you're always connected to learning. But wait, there's more. For those challenged by dyslexia, the pen effortlessly reads scanned text out loud at your preferred volume and speed. Ever wondered if there's a natural, medication-free way to bid farewell to itching? Wonder no more. The VIBIS Bite Healer employs its magical combo of heat and blue light to break down histamine and increase blood circulation, bringing you rapid comfort without any chemicals. The MCH ceramic plate, with precise temperature control, maintains a steady temperature between 117 degrees Fahrenheit and 124 degrees Fahrenheit to give therapeutic energy, offering relief from itching in just 10 to 15 seconds. It will be your ideal travel companion because it's small, lightweight, and has a strap hole for convenient carrying. The Wombat Ware cooling case is not just a case, it's your iPad's personal cooling superhero. Your iPad will remain several degrees cooler, all thanks to the discreetly placed blower fans that work silently to maintain the optimal temperature. No more sweating over overheating issues. Need to access your iPad's key functionalities? No problem. Capture memories with the camera, unlock with Touch ID, adjust volume, and immerse yourself with crystal clear sound from the speakers, all while the case stays on. The Wombat Ware cooling case also plays nice with the Apple Pencil 2, holding it securely and even allowing it to charge hassle-free. Have you ever wondered if there's a single device that could effortlessly handle all your digital needs? Look no further than the ZimaBoard. It combines the expandability of an x86 single board computer with the power of a micro server. You can fine-tune your network with OpenWRT and pfSense, collaborate seamlessly with your team, and effortlessly upgrade your smart projects across different systems. But that's not all. With the Plex Media Server installed on the ZimaBoard, you can organize all your media, stream your favorite movie and TV show collections to all your devices, and listen to millions of high-resolution music via Tidal. Discover the Audien Atom OTC hearing aids, a revolution tailored to your hearing. Audien hearing aids are sleek, tiny, and nearly undetectable. They magically disappear inside your ear canal, so no one will know that you're wearing them. And that's not all. The sound remains consistently sharp, free from any annoying whistling or feedback. You can also take control of your auditory experience by adjusting the volume to suit your preferences. From high tones to TV dialogue, every sound is a revelation. And last but not least, this 100% rechargeable device boasts an impressive 20-hour battery life, charging wirelessly in a sleek magnetic dock. The BlendQuik blender is the ultimate solution to your healthy lifestyle on the move. Its spill-proof design and mason jar form allow for direct sipping, eliminating the need to clean multiple parts. It is a genuinely minimalist and modern personal blender with a truly minimalist modern design that creates a fashion statement while you enjoy silky smooth, nutritious, fresh, and healthy smoothies or shakes. Worried about power? The BlendQuik boasts a remarkable battery life of over 10 blends and can be juiced in a flash via the USB-C. Moreover, with multiple safety protection features, it offers empty cup protection, overload protection, and overcharge protection. Are you ready to redefine your water drinking experience and improve your health journey? The OCEMIDA hydrogen water bottle boasts the latest PEM SPE technology, generating mesmerizing nanobubbles that ensure optimal molecular hydrogen dissolution. With a double cycle, it can produce 1.6 ppm in 350 milliliters of water in 5 minutes and achieve 2.8 ppm. Worry about compatibility? Fear not, it works seamlessly with most spring water bottle brands and is BPA free. Plus, its long life rechargeable battery ensures you stay revitalized whether at home or on the move. Elevate your underwater escapades with the SeeAir tankless dive system. You can remain underwater longer and explore more thanks to a huge 70,000 mAh battery. It's perfect for underwater hobbies like snorkeling, spearfishing, and photography that require extended bottom periods. Furthermore, night diving is more captivating, appealing, and intense because it is equipped with a bright LED light on SeeAir. As you float across the night water, piercing light will enlighten your path, with a robust motor ensuring a supply of 56 liters per minute of pure, contaminant-free air. Every breath becomes an invigorating experience. Thanks for watching our video on the cool new gadgets. If you enjoyed it, then be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. Leave us a comment with your thoughts and stay tuned for our next video.